Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. I'm here with Christopher and his Type R, and I was actually on a hike and then I got a message from him and that was a hectic hike, so yeah, after that I was too excited to hike, so I just went home. But here's Christopher and...
Hey, hellos.
Granus motors, bro. I always see them online in EKs and EGs.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's the feel peanuts to do that, yeah. The cheap ones are carrying. Alright, so from the front, as mentioned earlier, start here. There's a 90mm induction, ground performance induction, also the tuners. This is a RBC. All the O's go for RRC of the FD2 Type R, but this one comes with the Euro R Accord. And I had it ported because it's not as mooi as the RRC. I've got some drop-in cams. Don't mention which brand because there's some problems with that. I've got an RRC oil pump in there. RRC oil pump is just the safest thing you can do to these cars. So if I do valve train eventually, this car can rev over 9,000.
Damn! Oh, motorbikes.
But currently it's on 8.6.
It's still good, bruh.
I wish it was a bit higher. They say it can handle 8.8 with stock valve train. 10k. Someday. And then other than that, I have the Noise Boys branch, the V1, old one. And then I have a Viper 76 well exhaust, one box. Do I like it? Yeah, it's lekker.
I like it.
Aesthetics wise, I did what everyone does. Got the Eibach lowering kit.
You didn't get the Sneibach.
Nah. Sneibach works though.
Is it?
Not on these cars, I don't know. But I had it on my
They're very bouncy though.
Nah, I wonder. Such lekker, but it's not comfortable. The line. But I got Eibach's A-line sprees with some Goodyear Eagles in front. Urines at the rear. I need to replace that because that's got most tires. I don't know this lip. I got this lip by a friend of mine, took it off his Type R, and he said I can have it. And then a Seeker replica. And then, yeah, just this sticker here for extra.
Ripping the brand.
10 kilowatt.
Yo. Okay, as per usual, I'm here on the side of the road. We're just gonna get some flybys. Christopher, pretty cloud, mad, and the one thing about VTEC is his cars sound loud, so you think it's loud. When he hits VTEC, it's even more louder. So shout out to that Japanese bro that created VTEC. He's just gonna turn around now and get some flybys for you guys.
I don't know how big it's hotter. Not much hotter.
What?
So they didn't bring me a top with.
But it's cold, they also know on top. That's fine.
Oh, but it's koud in the skull, the windows up, it's sweating me binnenin.
I see, like, taking that water in, bro.
Yes.
I said, water's coming in, it's coming out again. Type R that sound like this. That sounds called it. That's like the race car sound, bro. first like
my first
race
love.
car? Not
Yeah.
the Corsa, but
And I had a Corsa, but that was my first car I bought myself.
okay.
And look, there's a saying my one friend used to say. K20 is baas, but VWL is onze baas.
Yo.
There's K20s that's faster. You know, I've boarded a few VWLs as well. But the VWL is a lekker car, it's raw, it's loud. It's like if you wanna like say you buy a STI, you spend 20k, you have a beast. You know? If you know the right people.
In 1K and 6K.
Yeah, okay, that's a bit more now, but for a stock VWL you drop it in, the thing is frick fast. People are gonna be upset now. But you must be a special kind of person to buy a 70k VWL cash. You can put that down on the Type R or the Cord or even a Polo GTI, a new car, a safe car. And you can just
Maybe if you're like young, I think.
yeah, or you want experience, you know?
Like your first
A
car.
VWL, yeah. Look, I got mine for a steal. Because it wasn't a STI, it was a 1.6 converted.
Oh, good.
I think it was a beast. But look, VWL's a lekker car.
Jasper. Race car, yeah.
Yeah.
Second, snatch it a second.
I'm surprised. I got second gear because with the clutch that's fucked high up, I missed second gear permanently.
Hi guys, thank you guys for watching. Just never filmed the outro for Christopher, so filming one now. And I just want to say that his car is freak loud and freak fast. And that was probably the fastest Type R I've been in, and loudest one also. Apparently there's a lot of work done to it, so I always thought like if you mod a car, like you don't see the power, but you actually see the power in his car, like it's way different. And yeah, low-key smaker Type R, low-key smaker is 2000 or so, hint hint. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.